Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel. Now in today's class we are going to learn about the energy stored in a magnetic field. Okay, so in a magnetic field, how much energy is stored during the self-inductance? So we are going to see the expression for that energy stored. Now we know that whenever a coil it is placed in a magnetic field, a EMF is induced in the coil, and that EMF what it will do, it will oppose the change in magnetic flux. So we know that EMF is opposing its cause, so changing magnetic flux is its cause. So this induced EMF, it is opposing its change in magnetic flux. आता हा जो अपोज होणार आहे, हे अपोज करण्यासाठी त्या EMF ला काय करायला लागणार आहे, इट हॅज टू डू स्पेंड सम एनर्जी टू अपोज दिस. So that energy is nothing but the energy stored in the magnetic field. So ह्या अपोज साठी जेवढी त्याला एनर्जी लागणार आहे, that energy is energy stored. Okay, so for that we'll start finding the expression. So first we'll find the energy spent to build up a current in a coil with inductance L. So ज्या कॉइलमध्ये EMF डेव्हलप झालाय त्याच कॉइलमध्ये करंट फ्लो होणार आहे, किंवा ज्या कॉइलमध्ये मॅग्नेटिक फ्लक्स चेंज होतो तिथंच EMF इंड्यूस होतो. सो इट इज द केस ऑफ द सेल्फ इंडक्टन्स. सो वी आर फाइंडिंग हियर एनर्जी स्पेंड इन द कॉइल with self inductance value L, that means coefficient of self inductance L. So due to this the current I will flow in the circuit. So we know that the EMF can be given for this concept. It is E is equals to, what is the value of E? E is equal to minus L di by dt. So that we have learned in the concept of self inductance. EMF induced is equals to minus L di by dt. Coefficient of self inductance L, di by dt, rate of change of current. Okay. Now work done. First we have to calculate the work done. कधी पण एनर्जी जर कॅल्क्युलेट करायची असेल तर दॅट इज नथिंग बट द वर्क डन स्टोर्ड ॲज अ एनर्जी. So here we are going to find the energy. So first we'll find the work done based on this concept. So work done, how it is given? The formula for work done, it is dW is equals to minus E into dq. Minus E, EMF induced, and dq is the charge, and negative sign indicates that in the opposite direction. So dW is equals to minus E into dq. So we'll write this or substitute the value of E in this equation. आता वरतीच आपण E ची इक्वेशन फाइंड आउट केलेली होती. आपल्याला माहिती आहे E is equals to minus L di by dt. सो त्या E ची व्हॅल्यू इथं ह्या इक्वेशन मध्ये सबस्टिट्यूट करायचं. सो मायनस मायनस विल गेट कॅन्सल. ओके, सो वी आर गेटिंग here dW is equals to L into di by dt, this is the value of E, into that dq. Okay, now just rearrange this equation. How to rearrange? We know that dq by dt, rate of change of charge with respect to टाइम, इट इज करंट. सो हे रिअरेंज करताना इक्वेशन अशी रिअरेंज करायची की dq बाय dt आपल्याला एका ब्रॅकेटमध्ये घ्यायचे. सो विल कीप हियर dw इज इक्वल्स टू L di and dq by dt. Now dq by dt is current I, rate of change of current is rate of change of charge is current. So the equation will changes to dw is equals to L di into I. So this is the small work done during this process. Now how to find the total work done? Just integrate this equation. एक स्मॉल पोर्शन साठी जर काढला असेल तर आपण नेहमी कुठली मेथड यूज करतो की वी आर इंटिग्रेटिंग दॅट इक्वेशन. सो वी विल गेट द वर्क डन फॉर द टोटल. सो इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ dW, that means total work done, equal to W. And what it is? Integration of L di into I, किंवा Li di. Now the value of current, it varies from 0 minimum to maximum I. So the limits for this integration will be 0 to I. Now in this equation L is a constant, so keep it outside of the integration sign. So integrating this, we are getting here L integration 0 to L I into di. आता I चं इंटिग्रेशन काय असणार आहे, बाय फॉर्म्युला ऑफ द इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ I di is I square by 2 and limits are 0 to I, that means the final expression is I square by 2. So substitute that integration value here. वर्क डन किती मिळणार आहे, W is equals to 1/2 L into I square. L आधीपासूनच होता L square by 2, I square by 2 आपल्याला इंटिग्रेशन मधून मिळालं. So W is equals to 1/2 L I square. And it is nothing but the energy stored. This work done is stored as a energy in the magnetic field. एवढं वर्क त्या EMF ला अपोज करण्यासाठी लागणार आहे. EMF अपोज करणार आहे त्याच्या कॉजला, दॅट मीन्स मॅग्नेटिक फ्लक्स चेंजिंगला. So that work done is stored as a energy and it is here represented as UB, capital UB. Symbol for that it is given as a UB. So this is the expression for the energy stored in the magnetic field. Okay, hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubt regarding any step, comment here. Like our videos, share it and subscribe.